From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday evening forecast. Let's jump right into some weather headlines. We've had some much needed rain over the past couple of days here in especially drought-stricken areas. Here in State College, we've been in a 1 out of 5 risk. The new drought outlook comes out tomorrow, so we'll see exactly how much of an effect that rain had. And our temperatures are still above average. We've been above average for most of the month of September, and that trend is set to continue into next week. And a quick early look at the Whiteout Weekend. Right now, the weather is kind of a toss-up. We'll take a look at that in just a moment, but a little bit closer to now. And actually, in the past, we were noticing some activity. Maybe if you were outside earlier today, it was raining, especially in southern Pennsylvania, extending into parts of Center County here, where rain was falling, which is much needed, as I said before. And if we look at the forecast for just beyond Wednesday, we can see that rain from today moves its way out. But by Thursday morning out the door here, it will be raining in Center County. Make sure you have your umbrella if you have an early class. It'll be a little bit heavier off to our east, but still raining nonetheless. So make sure you're weather aware and prepared for that. As we move through Thursday, there will be some spot showers that move throughout the day, but as we move into Friday, come Friday morning, it'll be a little bit cloudier, but those clouds will begin to dissipate as we move through Friday and into early Friday afternoon. Now, here's a look at what we have for the whiteout. As pre-game festivities are going on here in Center County, there will be clouds in the sky. Much of that rain is going to be off to the south, but every run of the forecast model keeps bringing the rain up closer and closer for game time. But as of right now, the European model is saying it will be cloudy but dry, and we'll have that rain approaching Center County around late Sunday morning. So if you have any plans then, you might want to rethink those or make sure you have enough rain jackets and umbrellas because it may be raining. Now let's shift gears to the temperatures. As I said before, we are above average for this time of year, and the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook has us remaining above average here in Pennsylvania. Not as much as parts of the Midwest here. We're looking at very above average out in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and around that area, but we're still above average nonetheless. And here's your forecast for tonight. Some possible thunderstorms. 64 degrees is your temperature. Be on the lookout for any sort of thunderstorm activity. And a look at tomorrow's forecast. Rain with the possibility of thunder, a little bit less than tonight's possibility. 73 degrees is your temperature. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast. We have that rain and thunder tomorrow, 73 degrees. We're going to go into Friday nice and warm, 77 degrees, partly cloudy. Right now, the 7-day has us at 75, mostly cloudy on Saturday, but again, it's only Wednesday. Anything can change. But by Sunday, we'll have warmed up to some morning clouds, 78 degrees. But then again, that rain could pop up at any moment on Sunday. And then the start of next week, we'll still be in the upper 70s, partly cloudy through Tuesday before we dip down below the 70s, mostly sunny on Wednesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your evening.